let's pause for a moment and talk about something that doesn't get enough attention: mindset. Because the truth is, building a successful web design business isn't just about skills, tools, or templates. It's about how you think, how you show up, and how you handle challenges. Here's something I've seen over and over again: two designers with similar talent, similar tools, and similar experience. One builds a thriving business. The other burns out or stays stuck charging low rates forever. The difference? Mindset. So, let's break down the core mindsets you need to thrive in this business. You're not just a designer, you're a business owner. When you shift your identity from freelancer to entrepreneur, everything changes. You start thinking long-term. You stop trading hours for dollars. You begin building systems, choosing clients intentionally, and charging based on value, not time. Stop waiting for someone to give you permission. This is your business. You set the rules. You don't need to know everything to start. Imposter syndrome hits hard, especially in a fast-moving industry like web design. But here's the truth: you'll never feel ready. The best business owners take action anyway. They learn as they go. They figure things out mid-flight. Start where you are. Use what you know. Improve along the way. Problems are part of the process. You will lose a client. You will have a project go sideways. You might get ghosted or underpaid. It happens to all of us. The question isn't if challenges happen, it's how you respond. The most successful designers don't quit when things get messy. They adjust. They learn. They keep moving. Confidence comes from doing. You don't wait for confidence to show up. You build it by taking action. Every time you send a proposal, hop on a sales call, or launch a project, you grow. The more you do, the more your confidence compounds. So yes, it might feel awkward or scary at first. Do it anyway. Think in value, not hours. Hourly rates cap your growth. Instead, shift to value-based pricing. You're not just building a homepage, you're helping someone grow their business, gain clients, or build credibility. That's worth more than just the time it takes to do the work. Play the long game. This isn't about overnight success. It's about building something sustainable, something that supports your goals, your lifestyle, and your future. Stay consistent. Keep learning. Stay in the game long enough to win. Remember, mindset isn't something you fix once. It's something you practice. Every challenge is a chance to level up how you think and operate. So, if you've ever felt like you're not business-minded or not cut out for sales, good news. That's all learnable. And in this course, you're going to learn it. Because you don't just need skills. You need belief, ownership, grit, and vision. And you've got it right now. Let's take this mindset and move forward. Click Next, and I'll show you how to refresh your web design fundamentals so you're confident and ready for growth.